Over the years, many artists have made their own versions of a tree of life. Its history goes back as far as the 1800s. My favorite is the way that Gustav Klimt painted his, with curly branches filled with lots of gold color. I have an easy way to draw it, and metallic markers make it really easy and fun to fill in. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. My favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The supplies you need for this project are black cardstock paper, a pencil, and some metallic markers. I really like this Crayola brand. You may think that a pencil drawing won't show up on a black sheet of paper, but as you can see, the silver lines are actually not that hard to see. Showing you the step-by-step instructions, though, with a pencil might be trickier. So for that reason, I'll go through all of them with my gold marker, and you can follow along with your pencil. Let's begin by drawing the main tree trunk shape. Draw 2 vertical lines, like this, in the middle of your paper. Notice they do go almost 2/3 of the way to the top. Now place your pencil on that right line and draw up towards the right corner and finish with a curl. Go to the left side, place your pencil on the top, and draw a large curl there too. That right line now needs to turn into a branch, so follow the curve and end with a pointy tip. The same step needs to happen on the left. Follow the curve and turn that into a branch too. Let's go down to the bottom now and add a long branch there. Notice it almost touches the edge of the paper. Draw a branch on the left side too. These can have their own shape. They don't need to match each other. Now move up and add a long branch on the right side. It can go in the middle of the space, and it can be pretty long too. A branch gets added on the left side, also in the middle of that space. Now we can start to attach shorter and curlier branches to these long ones. Just draw them to fill the space that you have. And continue to work your way up the tree. I like to fill the larger areas with large curves and then come back and add smaller ones if I see some room for them. The goal is to add as many branches as you can, but do keep a little bit of room between them so we have space for decorations. Adding one little one here will kind of balance out this branch. And a couple little branches at the top will fill up that space too. I'm going to add a simple grass line here near the bottom. Now for some decorations. It looked to me like Gustav Klimt liked to add abstract looking leaves on his tree, so I'm going to do that with a green marker and make some triangle shapes. He also liked to add some abstract decorations on the tree itself as well. At this point, feel free to add whatever decorations you can think of. I'm going to outline some of my shapes with a different color. That grass can also have some fun shapes added, like a few flowers. And now that those decorations are in place, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my tree. I'm going to use bronze, but the gold marker might look really pretty too. Work slowly and try to make some solid coloring without covering anything up. That metallic green color is going to make some really pretty grass. And I'm going to finish by using my silver marker to make lots of shiny dots. Just so you know, this does make a really great recycled art journal project. It's pretty and very easy to finish in just one class. So that's how you can make a tree of life drawing just like the artist Gustav Klimt. He was famous for using gold leaf in his paintings, but lucky for us, we have some easy tools these days that kind of create the same look and are a whole lot easier to use. When you visit my Art Projects for Kids website, you can find many more art history projects, including one for how to paint like Matisse and one for Picasso. Over the years, I'm happy to say my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw and paint. If you are watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get notified whenever I post a new video.